Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I got me some stuff for my sawmill. This is some things I ordered myself. I was going to have something made up for me, some kind of a bar with chains coming down and a hook on top for my sawmill to drop 2 logging tongs from. Well, I found that on Amazon for just, what, $24, $25 free shipping. That's insane. 1,500 pound capacity, which should be all I'll ever need. I mean, if that's more than my crane can handle, then that's plenty, right? And then I got the tongs. So I'm gonna have this just be its own video, I think. This is part of my homesteading, and this sawmill is absolutely helping on the homestead. I am loving it. It is a very valued part of my homestead. Oh, maybe there's no assembly required. Well, isn't that nice? Oh, it's heavy though. Let me get that opened up. Oh, that is a heavy piece of equipment all on its own. So the idea, I can't see my camera. Oh, you can see it. Okay. The idea now, let me move this out of the way here. I hope, is that 2 pieces? That's 2 separate pieces. I'll have to figure something out on this, but this is adjustable back and forth. Oh, I like it. Ha, I never even thought about how great that's going to be. So the logging tongs will hang off the chains, okay? And that's going to hang from the crane. And I never even realized how great this will be if I'm starting to lift the crane and the log's off balance a bit. I just have to crank the handle. I don't have to readjust the tongs. This is better than I thought it was going to be for the task at hand. I was looking at that online and thinking, how is that going to help me? Is that going to be useful? How does that work? I thought it might be an extension. This way I wasn't sure until just now and I got it in my hands. That is really, really going to help me. When you start to lift a log and one side's too heavy, crank the handle and adjust that load. I love it. That is so good. So I got that off Amazon, and I mean, it was crazy affordable. 1,500 pound capacity. Literally comes with everything you need for your engine work. But these here obviously are meant for putting on an engine, and I'm going to use this for a non-typical purpose and hook it on my crane. So I don't know if I'll be able to use these chains or have to put on some different ones, but it is, you can remove these pins and change that out. That's a convenient thing. I like the fact that I can take that apart and put a different chain on, and that's 2 different pieces, so I'm not sure if I can make that work or not, but that's cool. I am very pleased. Just so I have it, I'm going to put them back on so I don't lose them. Today is wintry cold. I mean below freezing wintry cold. So I probably won't be working much on the sawmill today. It's just too cold. But there's that. And another heavy piece of equipment. It says 16 inches. It's I don't know. I'm hoping it's going to be the right width for me and work out. I think most logs I'm going to get are a little small. It looks rugged. Most to be a little smaller than the maximum opening of that logging tongue. This is a very important to me. If you get logging tongs, make sure you get lifting / skidding tongs. If you don't get lifting and you try to lift with it, you might damage it. Skidding is for dragging across the ground. Lifting is for what I'm going to be doing. Up and down. Very important if you're getting tongs, get the right ones. That's a pretty decent looking size, actually. Let me see. Open. Oh, what? Oh, that's going to be fine. I guess it's 16-inch length. I was thinking maximum opening. Opens to 16 inches. Really? Well, that's going to be good then. That's going to work just fine. That is great. So the idea... Wow. Nice. And that's Timber Tough. You can find them on Amazon too. If I find a link, I'll put it on there. So the idea... The chains from here will be on my tongs, one on each side. This obviously won't be there. It's going to be a chain coming down from this bar, this engine leveling bar, over to one set of logging tongs, and another one on the other side. And I just got to, I'm going to have a rubber mallet and tap on each side of the log with one, and then go on the other, and then press the button and lift the crane to lift the logs up. That is going to be amazing. Well guys, I just wanted to share with you another one of my ideas. I have to find some chain for that. I may end up going to the hardware store and just buying some. And so I got these quite a long time ago for this purpose. Nice. So that'll go onto a chain. It's too bad that's on there permanently. I don't know if I want to cut that off. I mean, it's good to have them for engines. I think I'll keep that around because you never know if I might want to move an engine and then regret not having them. So I think I'm going to take these off, put them in the original box so I don't lose them, have them on hand, and put a chunk of chain on here. Oops. Coming down to the hooks, to the tongs, one on each side. That is going to make life easy at the sawmill. Actually, we got some chain, so we can do this. Trying to do this on video. I'm not sure at what height I want this, so I'll be able to adjust it later as needed. No. No. She wants the chickens. So these, I'm not going to mess up in case I ever want to deal with an engine. It's good to have. Oh, this is adjustable. Interesting. I'm going to put it on the farthest out point, and we can always balance this out as needed later. Good. And then I'll get these hooks on here. And we're going to have a really nice... What did I just do? Oh, I thought I cut myself. That's funny. We'll have a really nice setup here. Happy that fits. That fits beautifully. Look at that. Now, I'm not sure how that's going to hang with the tongs until I get over to the crane. So we'll see how that goes. We'll play it by ear on that one. I should have pliers. Make this job go easier here on this pin. I got the job done. Good. I'll get the other one on there, and we'll be back in a minute. Back here at the mill. See, I think I'm going to have to adjust this chain height. That's heavy. There's that. I don't even think you can see it on the camera right now, can you? Oh yeah. And then the tongs will go on that. myself a real log lifting system here. Yeah, those chains are too low. Look at that though. That's some serious hardware now. I'm liking it. I gotta adjust those chains. Let me readjust that. I'll be back in a second. Now that's some serious hardware. This is coming together, guys. This is really coming together nice now. Do I get it all on the camera? Yeah. That's beautiful. Look at that. So now I can swing around, come down, grab the logs, balance the load as needed, swing it over, gently set it on the mill, saw it out. Look at that. See? I got this balancing bar now to balance the load. I like it. That is just really amazing. So even if I don't get those exactly centered, I can just crank the handle and have a perfectly straight log on my crane. Swing it over. I love it. Well guys, please like this video. I'm really happy. This is coming along amazingly. My vision is coming together. This was the last piece in my vision. This and having 2 logging tongs was the last piece of it all. I'm probably going to just strap this up with a little screw or something. Keep that out of the way. I don't want to cut it because you never know what you might want later. Wow, I'm happy guys. Please subscribe if you haven't. You never know what I'm going to do at the homestead tomorrow. Talk to you later.